One dark, stormy night, a single bolt of lightning struck two things at the same time. One was a top-secret AWACS plane on its final approach to Boeing Field. The huge aircraft was bucking turbulent headwinds, heavy rain, and occasional lightning. The other was a trash dumpster behind a fast food place where a homeless woman was headed to look for any leftover hamburgers. The metal was hot and steaming when she first looked inside. Suddenly, there was movement under some newspaper, and she carefully lifted one corner to see what was under there. It was a cardboard box full of dead... Oh no! Who would do such a thing? But wait, one of them was still alive. Its eyes were sparking and cracking like electricity, and its hair was standing up all over. "Don't worry, little fella," she said as she picked him up. "I'll get you out of here." Which is what caused a chain of unusual events to pop, just like popcorn, from one end of that town to the other. And his name was Barnaby. Ready, Barnaby?
Ready, Captain Dave.
Then let's fly.